This is my day 2 progress so far. I painted the trim and I've put quite a bit of wall tile up and the floor tile. I have a contour tool coming to get these weird edges that I have for the door frames. You can do it without it, but I figured I would try it out. It was less than 10 bucks. Otherwise, I did all of my pieces that didn't require a whole lot of cutting. Over here, I trimmed a little bit, but otherwise, this is how it is so far. And I lucked out. This fit 2 tiles that had been trimmed to be straight at the sides perfectly.